Ready, start. This case raises certain serious questions which relate to administration of criminal justice system in the country with reference to organized crime and criminals and the role and efficiency of police force in combating the problem. Stop. The police force is one of the most important force with great potential, easily approachable to the people facing criminal wrong and law. Once the problem is detected, with time it has been seen that the police force, not as a whole but in small groups, has gone through a phase of moral and professional deterioration. Stop. There are black sheep also in the police force, and they reflect upon the whole department, which has led to growing concern, and a number of attempts have been made to mend this situation. Stop. In this direction, the past few years have been particularly eventful, with a number of positive developments having taken place towards a solution of the problem, and the state appears to have observed zero tolerance policy towards organized crime and criminals. Stop. Strict and rigorous steps have been taken to break and demolish financial network of gangsters. Stop. In future, this shall certainly bring about more and more positive results towards restricting criminal activities and organized crime. Stop. Para. Organized crime is not confined to a single state or any one country, and has become an international problem in view of their widespread network, and sometimes they have been also found to be naturally of terrorist groups. Stop. Organized crime is an act of threat involving murder, kidnapping, gambling, arson, robbery, burglary, extortion, or dealing in narcotics or dangerous drugs and other crime. Stop. The basic features of organized crime involves a group of individuals that is structured, sophisticated, and widely spread across nations. It is a section of society that seeks to operate outside control of the people and government, and it is a self-perpetuating, continuing criminal conspiracy for profit and power, using fear and corruption and seeking protection from law. Stop. The focus areas of organized crime are smuggling, drug trafficking, women and child trafficking, arms trade, hawala, circulation of fake currency, extortion, and contract killing. Stop. With financial solidarity, these criminals have entered into business of film financing, hotel business, house building, government contracts, and the like. Stop. The gangsters are divided into three categories, namely sharpshooters, money collectors, and liaison agents. Stop. The liaison agents deal with liars and law enforcement officials to resolve legal problems and to ensure easy bail to gangsters. Stop. Para. The police force faces some real difficulty in combating with organized crime and criminal activities. Stop. The police personals are mostly not provided with that kind of sophisticated arms which are available in plenty to the gangsters and their gang members.